how to buy Bitcoin using the Bitcoin.com wallet app. You can find this app on Play Store and App Store. So once you've downloaded the app and made sure that you've logged in, just tap on the app to open and you will be greeted by this page. So what you want to do is tap on buy Bitcoin and other assets. Here you can see the popular assets. You can see the Bitcoin on the top. But if you don't find it here, you can just search for BTC and you will be able to select the Bitcoin. Now what you want to do is tap on this that says my BTC wallet and allow all of these permissions. You just have to wait for a while for it to load. And now after you've loaded this, as you can see, $300 will get you 0.00474 Bitcoins. So you can edit that from here. If you want to select any other currencies, you can just tap on this drop down right here. So if you tap on this drop down, you can select your currency. So for example, if I want to select pound sterling, I'm just going to tap here and the BTC will be now converted into pounds. So as you can see, 300 pounds will get me 0.00622 Bitcoins. So if you want to change your amount, you can do it from here. Let's say if I add one more zero here, 3 and 3000. If I do 3000, it will get me 0.0626 Bitcoin. So once you do that, you can tap on continue and check out with MoonPay. So make sure you have your amount ready here. You'll get a verification code on your email and you can proceed from there. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.